Ever felt that brief, icy panic when you realize a crucial payment might not have gone through? Especially when it's something like a Beforepay advance, a tool designed to help you bridge those financial gaps? Yeah, me too. So, what actually happens if your Beforepay payment fails? It's not just a simple try again, and there are a few things you need to know to avoid a financial headache. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Beforepay is. It's that handy app that lets you access a portion of your upcoming pay early, helping you manage those unexpected bills or expenses. You borrow a small amount, and it gets automatically repaid from your next paycheck. Simple, right? But what if that automatic repayment doesn't happen? First off, Beforepay, like any financial service, has systems in place to handle payment failures. They're not going to immediately send debt collectors knocking. Instead, they'll initially try to understand why the payment failed. Common culprits include insufficient funds in your linked bank account, an expired or blocked debit card, or even temporary issues with your bank systems. The first thing you'll likely notice is a notification from the Beforepay app or an email. They'll let you know that the repayment attempt was unsuccessful and will often provide a reason. This is crucial. Don't ignore it. Prompt action is key to minimizing any potential issues. Now, Beforepay will typically make a few more attempts to collect the payment over the next few days. They'll give you a bit of breathing room, but this isn't a free pass. You need to address the underlying issue. Check your bank balance, update your card details in the app, or contact your bank directly to resolve any blocks or holds. If, after multiple attempts, the payment still fails, things can escalate. Beforepay might start charging late fees. These fees are designed to incentivize timely repayments and cover the additional administrative costs associated with failed payments. The exact amount of these fees will be outlined in your Beforepay terms and conditions, so it's worth reviewing them. More importantly, prolonged non-payment can impact your credit score. While Beforepay itself might not directly report to credit bureaus in the same way traditional lenders do, if they eventually have to pass your debt onto a collection agency, that agency will likely report it. This can negatively affect your creditworthiness, making it harder to secure loans, mortgages, or even rent an apartment in the future. Furthermore, Beforepay might restrict your access to future advances. They need to ensure they can recover the funds they've lent out, and if you have a history of failed payments, they'll be less likely to lend to you again. So, what should you do if you know a payment might fail? The best approach is proactive communication. Contact Beforepay's customer support before the scheduled repayment date. Explain your situation and see if they can offer any solutions, such as rescheduling the payment or setting up a payment plan. Being transparent and showing a willingness to resolve the issue can go a long way. In short, a failed Beforepay payment is not the end of the world, but it's crucial to address it immediately. Check your account, resolve the underlying issue, and communicate with Beforepay. Ignoring it will only lead to late fees, potential credit score damage, and restricted access to future advances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.